In this video, we will show you Expo 2020 offers many exciting and innovative entertainment options for kids and adults. The first one, Latifah's Adventures is located in Jubilee Park in between Opportunity and Sustainability District. Latifah's Adventures, climb your way to Mars through fun nets as you learn all about planets and the universe. Don't forget to jump on the trampoline. The next one is Carousel Ride. It is located in Mobility District. Ride around the world on a carousel. Enjoy all the fun of the fair on Around the World. A classic carousel with beautifully hand-painted images of past world expos. The next one is Rashid's Playground. It is located in Jubilee Park. Rashid's Playground is an ocean-themed adventure inspired by Rashid's imagination and underwater exploits. Highlights include sharks on springs, wave slides, ocean liners, and an interactive 3D maze modeled on one of our local waters' most surprising inhabitants, the humpback whale. One is Colors of the World Parade. If you are planning a day trip to Expo 2020, make sure to get along for the daily Colors of the World Parade at Gulf Avenue. Each country will have a national or honor day celebration during the 6 months of the event, and they will treat audiences to a unique cultural fusion experience. The next one is Luxembourg Pavilion. It is located in Opportunity District. This is the only pavilion that has a giant slide inside in it. The next one is Germany Pavilion. Children will fall in love with this pavilion. Here it is why. It's nothing less than an adventure spot as it features a giant ball pit. Kids can play with the over 100,000 balls that tells a story. Spotlight, a sustainability champion from Germany. They can just pick up a ball and place it on one of the scanners to see a short presentation. one is the most breathtaking attractions at the Expo 2020 site. This waterfall is situated between Al Wasal Plaza and Jubilee Park. Kids and adults can walk to the base of the falls to see how the water disappears through the stone.